So the pile has shrunk. My favourite bit's still there. Soup, the tasty soup. Soup, the spicy carrot and coriander, chili chowder, crouton, crunchy bit in a liquid broth. I am gazpacho, oh, I am a summer soup, oh, miso, fighting in the dojo, miso, Oriental prince in the land of soup. Okay, silliness for the day. Okay, that one I like. Don't know why. I like that. I want to go have a look down the end of those pipes. Okay, let's do that. Oh, the small things that amuse. That one's got great colour. I like that. That's well cool. I have no idea why, but I want to look down these. I don't they go anywhere. But it's nice symmetry, and that kind of makes me happy. Oh, I can see a little bit of light at the end. Okay. Happy, joy. Strange woman. No idea why that makes me happy, but it does. I just love the natural variety. This was the one I was looking at before. That's quite cool. So if I find any that have enough of a section underneath, I can take them home for the guinea pigs. And I did take a couple last year. That's nice. This too makes me happy for no apparent reason. So that'll be all the recycled stuff that will have come around all the wood when we get it, and other bits and pieces. I reckon this one here is the guinea pig piece. Yeah. Hells yeah. Okay.